Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I have specialty materials ThermoFlex Fashion Patterns. Okay, this is a 12 by 18 sheet for $6. We do not have yard pricing for this, so this would be $6 for a 12 by 18. There are over 30 patterns to choose from. These patterns are vibrant, easy to cut out and weed, and have a slight stretch and rebound, just like the ThermoFlex Plus. This can be cut with a laser, and for pressing settings is 305 with a medium press for 8 to 10 seconds. You are going to peel this cold. This can be layered if this is the top layer. Okay, so when you wash, you're going to wash inside out, gentle cycle, cold water, tumble dry, and do not dry clean. This applies to cotton, uncoated polyester blends, acrylic, and it excludes nylon. And don't forget, if we do not have a pattern that you see here, we also have them in our printed pattern vinyl, and we can cut those in adhesive, glitter adhesive, HTV, and reflective HTV. There's several to choose from. So if you don't have a pattern that you like here, we have thousands on our website that you can go to for printed pattern vinyl. Alright, so I will go ahead and go over these with you and show you. On this one right here is going to be the paisley. Right, and this one is the Pastel Flowers Navy, and this one is the Pastel Flowers Pink, of course Sunflower, and this is the Roses and Leopard. Then we have Roses and Cheetah. And then we have the small print of the cheetah. This is a new one that we are carrying. This is giraffe. Then we have snow leopard. And this one is a very popular one. This one is leopard. And then we have African pattern. And then this one is the Serape 2. This one is popular too. This is Rainbow Splash. And we have the small tie-dye. Then we have Cosmos, Galaxy, Jigsaw Autism, and Mermaid Colored. And then this one is the Hundreds. Then we have the Paint Splatter White and the Paint Splatter Black. The very popular Pink and Black Bandana. We have the Red and Black Bandana. Red Bandana. Blue Bandana. And this is tartan. And Yellow and Purple Plaid. And this one is the Buffalo Plaid Red and Gray. Buffalo Plaid White. Buffalo Plaid Red White. This is the Buffalo Plaid Hot Pink. Buffalo Plaid Green. Buffalo Plaid Orange, and the very popular Buffalo Plaid Red. We have the green digital camo, green camo. And this one is the brown leather, so this one is going to look like a football. And then we have the basketball. It has the little dots with it. And this one is the baseball. And then last we have the checker plate. Alright, and you can find these on our website. Like I said, they are 12 by 18 for $6. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I will answer them for you. Have a great day.